Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Today we're diving into how to overlay the menu on top of the Hero section, inspired by the seamless design of the Tesla website. In web design, overlaying a menu on top of a Hero section can create a sleek and modern look for your website. With Brizy, achieving this effect is simple and requires just a few steps. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of overlaying a menu on top of a Hero section using Brizy's intuitive interface. Let's start. Navigate to your dashboard. What I like about Brizy is that there's no need to access a template just to edit the header. You can directly edit it on the page. Now let's proceed to the page. Open the pre-made Hero section sample and click Edit with Brizy.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
We're now on the editor page. As you can see, the header has a white background and is separate from the Hero section container. What we want to do is overlay the header on top of the Hero section. First, click on the settings and go to Styling to adjust the margin. So there you have it, an easy way to overlay the header. You just have to make minor adjustments. Also, check the responsiveness to ensure it looks good on all devices. I think that's all. Overlaying a menu on top of a Hero section can enhance the visual appeal of your website and improve user experience. With Brizy's user-friendly interface and powerful features, achieving this effect is straightforward. Follow the steps outlined in this tutorial to create a professional-looking website with a stylish overlay menu on top of the Hero section.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.